I'd like to bring in Suryagni Roy, who's joining us live now from outside the Sealdah court in Kolkata, the court which pronounced the judgment. Suryagni, take it away. Take us through what's happening around you. I'm sure there's high security as well because Sanjay Roy was present when the verdict, the sentencing was read out.
Well, absolutely, and Akshata, what we have to understand is that what the judge said when he was pronouncing this verdict. He said that he doesn't find this to be the rarest of a rare, incident, as the public prosecutor had said that this is the rarest of the rare, crime incident, and that's the reason why the harshest punishment should be given. But over here, what we came across was that life imprisonment till death. That is what has been pronounced by the Sealdah court. Now there are two theories to it: whether or not the family and the CBI, or either or, they move to the High Court challenging this particular decision, and asking for a harsher punishment, which is death penalty or not. Now, secondly, coming back to you, it's necessary to show you the police bandobast right now, heavily fortified, because in a short while from now, Sanjay Rai, the convict in this particular case, who's been given a life imprisonment, will be taken out. You can see the vans being kept ready, the police vehicles being kept ready. If I can just show you around, even to make sure that the situation does not escalate and it stays under control. There's battalions of the Rapid Action Force deployed over here as well, so that the situation stays in control. Because let's not forget that we had seen multiple protests, sit-down protests and protests of all kind, for demanding justice for Abhaya. And now with this particular verdict, we have to see whether the family or the CBI, either of them, do they move the higher court asking for a death penalty or not. Back to you.
Okay, does it have there been any reactions really from the family members yet, Suryagni, on the verdict, on the sentencing by the Kolkata court so far?
Well, the family members are still inside, and they will get out in a while from now, and that is when we will understand what they have to say on this particular, verdict. It's also important because during the last the last hearing, when the verdict was, when Sanjay Rai was pronounced guilty, the parents had shown immense faith on the judiciary, on the justice himself, and even till today morning they had claimed that they feel that death penalty should be given, hanging should be done of such kind of convicts in such a gruesome case. The judgment hasn't really been as expected by the family. That's pretty clear as of now. It has to be seen what is it that they say. Now, there's more police over here to make sure that when Sanjay Rai gets out of this place, he is escorted out under heavy security, and we have to wait for the parents' first reaction when they come out of the court. Back to you.
So they're in the court as of now. We'll await their reaction to see what they have to say about really the verdict that's come in, the sentencing. Remember, the family has been pushing right now for death penalty. Didn't really happen because the judge maintains this is not a rarest of rare case circumstance to ensure death penalty. He has, in fact, sentenced Sanjay Roy to life. Thanks very much, Indru and Suryagni, for joining us with all of those details.